Today is the 15th of December. I can't believe it's 10 days till Christmas. Like, it doesn't feel like Christmas because I know right now in the UK it's like not snowing. Well, it was snowing, but it's like -4, and here it's like 28 degrees, so it just doesn't feel like actual Christmas yet. We are in Cozumel today, but I've actually woken up with a bit of like a hoarse throat. I think it just needs like warming up for the day, but I know some people are going to the beach, and I think I'm gonna go to the beach next week. But today I'm gonna find like a little coffee shop and just take my iPad and maybe download some things, and then later on it is America Rocks night. Let's get ready for a chill day in Cozumel. So, future editing Lizzie here. I completely forgot to actually like speak. Good. So I went for an hour walk to try and find a coffee shop. It was in the clips with the beautiful like flags flying over the top, but it was closed. So I did an hour's walk to a closed coffee shop. Bit sad, but I'm really happy I had a chilled Cozumel day. And now there's a few clips of us doing sound check and stuff for America Rocks where I actually speak a little bit. But just wanted to let you know what I actually did that day. But back to the video. So hair and makeup is done. It's a little bit flat today, but that's fine.
Psych! This is not the end of the vlog. We've got a crew drink. I don't even have a red drink.
When to start. I don't know when to start. I don't know when to start. There is just one thing I need.
Cheers, KK.
What is the meaning of the pink white?
So it's me again. I'm just dreadful at doing this vlog after a few drinks and like actually finishing it up, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Got a couple more videos from the Christmas like season, and then I've not got many vlogs after this, purely on the fact I've got a camera coming. It's taking slightly longer than expected. However, after these I've got 3 more vlogs. After them vlogs we'll be on a proper camera and we'll be starting an actual routine of everything. But if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye.